my favourite time of year because it's the season when anything is possible. Days are mild, it's the perfect time to plant cool and dry season crops, also to fill your garden with spring flowering bulbs, summer perennials, and of course, to take in all the glory of deciduous trees. So I'm here at Cloud Hill today, taking in the stunning autumn colour of this beautiful garden. And as you can see, it is spectacular. But if you live in an area that doesn't have a true autumn and deciduous trees don't perform like this, you can still use this as inspiration in your own garden. Mild autumn days like these are the best time to establish most perennial trees and shrubs. It's also the best time to divide or transplant any perennials that have become overcrowded in your garden. While it's time to plant cool and dry season crops, take a minute just to think about crop rotation. It's a simple yet effective way to reduce pests and diseases, as well as providing crops with all the nutrients they need from the soil. For example, grow a green manure crop to improve nitrogen in the soil. Follow this with leafy crops which thrive on nitrogen. And when these are harvested, plant fruiting crops which need less nitrogen but more phosphorus to encourage flowering and fruiting. Chase this up with root crops because they actually grow best in a soil depleted of both these nutrients. And then repeat. Of course, if this sounds too complicated, simply alternate between above ground crops and below ground crops. Just make sure you leave at least 1 year in between growing any solanaceous plants, which include tomatoes, capsicums, chilies and eggplants. And don't forget to check back in with us next month for more tips and tricks for your garden.